At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with Educational Employees Credit Union, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University. Thank you for watching and supporting positive stories about education.
Under the midday sun, these students are working to finish what is called a mare motel, a place that will house their farm animals.
It's housing our goats, so we're going to put their feed and their water in each of these. Right now we have 9 goats. We're hoping to have 15.
The students are in the Ag Science pathway at Sunnyside High School, and this summer they are participating in a career tech education internship program, doing real work for course credit.
The internships are very hands-on. They get to do things that they might not necessarily get to do in a classroom of 30. We have a lot more opportunity to do things like this.
The curriculum is built around the summer school schedule, students putting in 11 days and 80 hours of work. And for these ag students, it meant being on the job at 5:30 a.m. That wasn't a problem for 17-year-old Xavier Casey, who plans a career in ag engineering.
I've learned a lot on this project alone, stuff that I don't learn in a classroom, stuff that you really only understand when you're out there and you're working. I've gotten real experience.
Sunnyside High wasn't the only school participating in the summer internship program. Over 800 students in Fresno Unified CTE programs did hands-on work in such areas as construction, photography, public service, and health. More than 20 industry partners worked alongside them.
I worked with Bullard High School, with McLean High School, and with Edison High School. And all of the students had an opportunity to learn about injury prevention because traumatic injury is the #1 killer of kids. And so what we did was provide them with an opportunity to be trainers so that they can then take what they learned out to their middle and elementary schools.
Along with the work experience, CTE educators say they hope students gain more confidence knowing they can do the work.
Alongside learning those new skills, I feel like I'm a lot more independent, and I feel like I have a lot more opportunities than I did before.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.